Hey there, internet hustlers. Welcome to your new journey. Have you ever dreamt of making money online without spending a dime up front? It's more achievable than you think. Well, you're in luck because today I'm revealing one of the best kept secrets to earning money from the comfort of your home. Drumroll, please. Becoming a virtual assistant. Stick around because in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started and start making money with zero investment. Ready? Let's dive in and explore this exciting opportunity together. So, what exactly is a virtual assistant? Simply put, a VA provides administrative support to businesses and entrepreneurs. This could mean managing emails, scheduling appointments, handling social media, or even customer service. And the best part? You don't need any fancy degrees or expensive equipment. All you need is a computer, a stable internet connection, and some basic skills. Here's how you can get started. Identify your skills. Think about what you're good at. Are you organized? Great with communication? Excellent at social media? Make a list of your skills. Create a portfolio. Even if you haven't worked as a VA before, create sample work. Show how you can manage emails, design a social media post, or organize a calendar. Join freelance platforms. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are gold mines for beginners. Create a profile, list your skills, and start applying for gigs. Network and market yourself. Use social media to your advantage. Join Facebook groups, LinkedIn, and online forums where entrepreneurs hang out. Offer free trials to get testimonials and build your reputation. Remember, persistence is key to success. It might take a little time to land your first gig, but don't give up. Keep pushing forward. Every expert was once a beginner, learning and growing. Soon, you'll be on your way to financial freedom, all from the comfort of your home office. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on more awesome tips and tricks. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or need further clarification. If you've been a virtual assistant and have more tips to share, or if there's a specific topic you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching and happy hustling. Keep up the great work.